If you guys are interested in English learning, you can check it out this channel AK Sir with English to Urdu meaning and also English vocabulary. I'll mention the link in the description box. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about word opposite. Word opposite: awful, delicious, low, high, sharp, blunt, dry, wet, old-fashioned, modern, big, small, sweet, bitter, fat, skinny, bad luck, good luck, kick, punch, full, empty, dry, wet, construction, destruction, to marry, to divorce, human, animal, soft, hard, noisy, quiet. Never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.